Ed Brown Products manufactures the world's finest custom 1911 handguns. The Brown family directly supervises all aspects of production, from engineering to final testing, all to create the ultimate high-performance firearm. It's a labor of love that began with one man's great esteem for the famed Colt 1911.
The 1911 design remains to this day the finest fighting handgun the world has ever known.
For over 40 years, Ed Brown has been a world-renowned shooter, tool and die maker, and gunsmith. That legacy provided him with all the skills he needed to redefine the manufacture of the modern custom firearm. In 1988, he founded Ed Brown Products and became recognized for his innovative designs, like the beaver tail grip safety and bobtail mainspring housing. Today, the family-owned Ed Brown Company manufactures a complete line of high-grade firearms bearing his name.
My goal has always been to make the highest quality 1911 possible. That's what motivated me to begin making my own parts and eventually the complete gun.
Each firearm was originally conceived and designed to be a complete custom firearm using CAD/CAM technology. Every component on the firearm has been redesigned, enhanced, or more precisely machined for one thing: performance.
We have the capability to take these raw forgings and turn them into finished handguns. There are over 40 parts in a 1911 handgun, and nearly all of them are manufactured in this facility.
Inside this state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, you'll find the latest in CNC technology. Our process is dedicated to turning forgings and bar stock steel into some of the world's finest firearms. Expert machinists operate 5-axis machining centers, Swiss-type turning machines, precision broaching, fiber optic lasers, fine polishing wheels, and precision inspection equipment.
We produce our parts using the tightest tolerances in the industry. That makes a huge difference in the quality and consistency of the final product.
Leading-edge technology is gracefully combined with traditional old-world craftsmanship under the direct supervision of the Brown family. Every part is hand-fit to each individual gun by a master craftsman. Personal attention to detail continues to be a major component of the legendary quality of Ed Brown firearms.
The details make the difference. We have the highest standards for quality, and we make sure every piece meets those standards before we'll put the family name on it. I'm right there every day to make sure that that happens.
All the engineering, precision manufacturing, and hand craftsmanship produces the supreme high-performance 1911. Each gun is carefully inspected and then extensively tested by a professional shooter for reliability and accuracy. When you fire an Ed Brown 1911, without question, you'll know you made the right investment.
At Ed Brown Products, we measure our success not by how many guns we can make, but by how good we can make them.
Engineering excellence, precision manufacturing, hand craftsmanship, and ultimate performance makes buying an Ed Brown an easy decision. From raw forgings to the finest 1911s in the world, Ed Brown Products manufactures the world's finest custom 1911 handguns.